If you're hiring freelancers or contractors, using forms to screen them can save you hours of back and forth and help you instantly filter out the ones who just aren't a fit. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using the software I've tested across multiple platforms. Stick around till the end and I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel only. First, why forms? Because they let you collect consistent, structured info without wasting time on emails, DMs, or vague portfolios. You set the rules, they fill it in, and you instantly know who's worth your attention. This works whether you're looking for designers, developers, editors, any freelancer or contractor. The goal is to pre-qualify them before you ever hop on a call. Start by creating a new form inside the software we'll be using. Choose a blank template to keep it clean and quick. The first question should be short answer, linked to your portfolio or past work. This gets you right to the proof. Next, add a multiple choice question that asks, what's your availability like right now? Give options like immediate, 1 week, 1 month, etc. You don't want to waste time on someone who's booked out for weeks. Then, a short paragraph-style question. Briefly describe a past project similar to what we're hiring for. This filters out anyone who's applying randomly without reading. Now here's a key one. Rating-based question. Ask them to rate their experience on relevant tools or skills, like rate your proficiency in software tool from 1 to 5. This gives you a quick skill snapshot. If you're hiring globally, add a drop-down. Which country are you currently based in? This helps with time zone coordination and legal stuff like contracts and taxes. Finally, ask something that reveals personality or fit. One I always use is, what do you enjoy most about freelancing? You'd be surprised how much that reveals about someone's mindset and professionalism. Once your form is built, enable notifications so you're alerted when someone submits. You can also connect it to a Google Sheet or your CRM for tracking. Now, why this specific software? After testing the most popular ones out there, this one stood out for 3 reasons: speed, flexibility, and automation. It lets you build clean professional forms in minutes, and the responses are easy to manage. If you want to follow along or start using it today, I've added an exclusive free trial in the description just for viewers of my channel. The key takeaway: screening freelancers or contractors with forms is the fastest, most efficient way to find quality people without the hassle. It filters out time wasters, gives you a clear snapshot of each candidate, and gets you closer to the right hire faster. Quick recap: start with portfolio links, add availability, experience examples, skills rating, location, and a personal question. Set up notifications or automations, and you're done. If you haven't yet, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description and give this software a spin. It'll save you serious time and stress in the hiring process. That's it. Quick and to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.